problem. So it says the senior classes at high school A and high school B plan to separate trip to New York City. The senior class at the high school A filled one van and 6 buses with 372 students. High school B rented and filled 4 vans and 12 buses with 780 students. Each van and each bus carried the same amount of students. So what they're saying in a high school A, the vans filled the same, can carry the same amount of kids in high school B. And so and the buses in high school A carried the same amount of people in high school B's buses. Each van and each bus carried the same number of students. How many students can a van carry? So that's the question, but there's another question. How many students can a bus carry? So if you don't know what to do, this is an XY equation. So we have, because we're trying to find out these equations, so we have to do systems of equations. So let X be amounts of, I'm going to say just the amount of people that can be vans. I'm talking very weird, but anyways, don't mind me. So what we know is X, so X be van and Y be bus. So 1X, which means one amount, the capacity of one van, and 6Y, which means 6 buses, equals to 372. And we know that high school B for 4X, or 4 vans, plus 12Y equals to 780. So what I'm going to do is multiply each on the top by 2. So we have 2X plus 12Y equals to 744. 4X plus 12Y equals to 780. So now we'll get to the minus, so we can cancel out at least one of them. So we're going to find out X first. So 2X minus 4X equals negative 2X. And that's 0. And this equals to negative 36. X equals to negative 18. Positive 18. So we can plug 18 up in there. 18 plus 6y equals 372. And move 18. So 6y equals to 372 minus 18. Because when you move it on this side, it turns negative. 6y equals to 300 and 54. I'm going to do that math. So, no. So, can't fit in 3. Move over. And they can fit in 5. Six, 9. So y equals, so the answer is vans can carry 18 people and buses can carry 59 people. So it says angle. So what we're doing is this is something that we did on a paper. It's a bit confusing, but you can figure it out. So it says angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 equals what? So 1 is 90 degrees, 2 is 90 degrees, 3 is 90 degrees, 4 is 90 degrees. All of those in total is 360. So I'm going to write 360 first. 360. And this angle is unknown, but there is a trick to find it out. So we already did this. I'm going to circle all the ones we did so far. So all of these equal to 360. This angle number 5 and angle number 7 are unknown angles. So is angle number 6. But I know a trick that we can use to find out all of these. So we can use this. So whatever this angle is, plus 6 equals to 360. And whatever this angle is, plus this angle equals to 180. And whatever this angle is, plus this angle equals to 180. But remember, the catch is we're not supposed to use it. We're using it to find out these angles, but we're not actually going to add it. So this is 180, this is 180, and this is 360, and this triangle is 180. So we know that 5 plus angle 5 plus A equals 180. Angle 7 plus angle plus C equals to 180. And angle 6 plus B equals 360. So we are going to add all of these up and minus 180. So 360 minus 180 plus 180 plus 180 80. So this is minus, that is plus, and these are gone. Plus 180 equals, so these are gone. So we can say that these are out, so which equals to 360 plus 180 plus 360. Let's add, so 360, 360, 180, 0, and 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 8 equals 20. And that's 3 plus 3 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9, 900. So what we know is that, so I'm going to explain how exactly we got our answer. The director also drawed some other stuff, but we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 360. But in here, and we could cut these certain parts out. So we could say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 equals what? Or we could add the 180. Like, how we figured that out is like these angles is we know that this one, we use a trick and use this triangle to help figure out what these angles are. But we don't know what these angles are exactly, but if we add some angles of the triangle to the angles of here, we can make it a little more clear. So we come over here and let's say 360 plus 180 plus 180 plus 360, we minus 180 is because this triangle isn't actually in the shape. So we're just borrowing it to use it to find out these angles so the answer becomes more clear. So then we get to the part where 360 plus 360 plus 180 equals to 900. But what we find out is like we know that the angle 5 plus angle A equals to 180. Angle 7 plus C equals to 180. Angle 6 plus B equals 360. But since these are not actually in the shape, and one triangle equals to 360, one triangle equals to 180 degrees if you add all the angles up, then we know, then what we're supposed to do then is we have to minus 180, because if we actually just kept that 180, then it wouldn't be the correct answer. So it would be more than what the answer is supposed to be. Because we're only supposed to find out all of this, but we're not supposed to find out this.